Choosing the right video editing software is the first step in your editing journey. There are so many options out there, from beginner-friendly programs like iMovie and Filmora to more advanced software like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro. Think about your needs and budget. If you're just starting, a simpler tool can help you learn the basics without overwhelming you. As you grow more confident, you can always upgrade to something more powerful. Once you've picked your software, it's time to import and organize your footage. This step is crucial. Create folders for different scenes or types of shots. Label everything clearly. A well-organized project saves you time and frustration later on. Most editing software allows you to create bins or folders within the program itself, so take advantage of that. It's like having a digital filing cabinet that keeps everything neat and tidy. Now, let's dive into basic editing techniques. Start by trimming your clips to remove any unnecessary parts. Use the razor tool or the trim function to cut out the fluff. Pay attention to pacing. You want your video to flow smoothly. Don't be afraid to experiment with transitions, but keep them subtle. A simple fade or cut can often be more effective than flashy effects that distract from your content. Next, enhancing your video is where the magic happens. Color correction can make a world of difference. Adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation to make your footage pop. If you're using music or sound effects, make sure they complement your visuals. Balance the audio levels so that dialogue is clear and background music doesn't overpower it. Adding text overlays can also help emphasize key points or provide context. When you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to export your video. Choose the right format based on where you plan to share it. For YouTube, MP4 is a popular choice because it maintains quality while keeping file sizes manageable. Pay attention to resolution settings. 1080p is standard for most platforms, but if you want to future-proof your content, consider exporting in 4K. Finally, let's talk about some tips and best practices. Always keep a backup of your original footage. You never know when you might need to revisit it. Don't hesitate to ask for feedback from friends or fellow creators. A fresh set of eyes can catch things you might have missed. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you edit, the better you'll become. Embrace your unique style and don't be afraid to let your personality shine through your edits. Happy editing!